So it's really nice and early, and we're at Need a Bagel, waiting to see if anybody's going to show up for the ride. This is 177 Park Avenue in Rutherford, where we meet up now. It's good when we're doing these early morning meetups because our neighbors don't appreciate the early morning wake-up call. And it's okay. We're expecting a few people, but you never know who's going to show up. I got the MT09 all set for a nice hot ride. It's supposed to get really hot this afternoon. And it's a good day to look back at we got 24,000 plus miles on this. And every one of them has been just a load of fun. Been a great bike. I got it for my birthday present, for my 75th birthday. I'm 80 years old now. What a great birthday present. Everybody should get such a thing for their birthday. Right on time, right on the budget. Check out this Ninja. Whoa, beautiful. Beautiful. You're right on time, baby. I'm impressed. Nobody else is. You're the only one we can trust.
GPS stinks out here.
Really?
Had me get off, that's the second time it did it. Had me get off of McCarter Highway, well 21 south, and I shouldn't have did that.
That's a mistake.
Yep.
Not a mistake, it's a big mistake. Hey, it's gonna be a nice day today. How you feeling, okay?
Good.
We're waiting for Guy. Guy had to work night, so
oh yeah?
he's on his night shift schedule, I guess. He'll be here in about 10 minutes.
Nice.
That is one beautiful Ninja. Look at this guy. He comes in like comes in like a Tesla. He goes out like a lion. You done with that big job now?
For now,
literally.
Yeah.
You know Thomas, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to turbo it up today, baby.
Nice.
This is the first time I've seen this in real life. That's some restoration, huh? From a rusty $200 bike.
I want his money.
Yeah, this is the first time I've seen this.
Yeah, I believe it.
I have seen it in not person many times, but this is the first time in person. Yeah, if Russ Hutt didn't get canceled, we would have. This would have been one of the very cool bikes there.
Did it rain up here? Didn't rain by me. Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Oh, it rained yesterday.
Oh, really?
On our way home from. I don't even think about it. 4 hours in traffic. All right, we ready to go? I'm getting hungry.
Just us, the
Jim's gonna meet us up there.
I'm Curly.
beautiful Rockaway Bagel after chasing down a black vet, having some fun with him. What a day, what a day. Look at that sky, not a cloud in the sky. A bunch of highly controversial riders. Where's his guitar? Where's your damn guitar?
I see the Italian.
I'm on the road again!
I had to get an Italian bike. Go look at it, go look at it.
Hey, Mother Goose.
Hey,
No, Aprilia.
this guy's very wealthy.
No, jeez.
He'll buy you breakfast if you play the cards, right?
That's one thing I can afford.
How you doing, okay?
Doing good.
Where's your bike?
Oh, mamma mia, the Italian.
Ah,
Man.
if you buy this
I
bike,
can build something.
he's got the wrong decals on the bike. It's
That is
really,
beautiful.
this was made in Poland. We just put these decals on.
It goes backward.
They don't know what quality is, Thomas. Oh, they, mamma mia.
Yeah, for free? For free? You want it for free?
We use this to deliver pizzas.
That is a bike.
You should see the women that come along with that.
Oh, mamma
When you
mia.
buy one, you get all their phone numbers.
You can get Sophia Lorenz on there.
Whoa!
Kawasaki, nice bike.
Look at that. He did that.
Beautiful. Which one is this one here?
Oh,
It's a Yamaha MT09.
Yamaha?
Yamaha. Look at this
Nice.
one. Hey, 1982.
That's a 1982?
82.
God bless you.
It's
man.
older than you.
Oh, my Lord.
Older than your guitar.
Keep my wife.
On the road again. Guy, could you make this up?
He's safe.
Hey,
He's safe.
have a great day, my friend.
Thank you.
Stay young.
A
Stay
fellow
young.
Italian, see?
Keep playing that
you noticed
guitar,
an
you'll be
Italian bike
fine.
right away.
Women will always find you attractive.
Thank you, guys.
Have a good day.
Enjoy your weekend.
Wait, you talking about the same gym?
Yeah, his bike is on the shop. His bike is being worked on right now, he said.
Other guy, right, with the glass?
Yeah.
No, that can't be because he's the guy that works on the bikes.
Yeah, I'm being betrayed.
He, maybe he undercut your
Because
price.
something happened either to him or the bike.
And now you're talking about Jim, the little guy, the small guy?
Yeah, with glasses. His hair looks like yours.
Not as beautiful, though.
No. I'm
Well,
the
yeah,
only,
no, he
I'm
just
the
has a
only
little-
blonde here. Oh, no, there's another one.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't let him cut you off. Rockaway Bagel, where the food is always good. The women are always friendly. Okay, maybe they'll win. Holy mackerel, can you imagine? Watch, listen, I want to know, you got up at 2:30 to make these bagels for us.
For you, baby. For you.
This one, I saw my name is on the bottom of it. It
Yes.
says, save it for Wendy.
Yes.
Is
I
that
did.
true?
Just for you. Just
Say
don't tell-
hello to my wife.
Just
She
don't
says,
tell your wife. Don't
my
tell your wife because
My wife loves you. She said, take care of these old men. Keep them alive for me.
no
She
wonder
needs
he
the
goes home
insurance.
happy.
Rockaway Bagel.
That's true.
You never get your money's worth.
You might.
Nice. Huh? Nice.
All right, see you again soon. Good seeing you.
Have a good time at Road Action. I will. Tell those guys I miss them.
I will. Although I'm sure they'll all be coming up to me if I have you playing with them.
Take some pictures.
Yeah, I will.